Hello dear students, this is the third class of motion. In this class, we discuss some numericals of distance and displacement. Let's start with the first question. A body is moving in a square of side 2 meter given in figure. Calculate distance and displacement in the following cases. A from A to B, B from A to C. So in this question, square ABCD is given in which each side of the square is 2 meter long. Let's start with the first case. We have to find the distance from A to B. So the distance from A to B is given by side of the square, which is already given in the question, 2 meter. So what is the distance from A to B? 2 meter. Next, displacement. We know that if the body is moving in a straight line, in that case, distance is always equal to displacement. So, what is the distance between AB? 2 meter. Therefore, the displacement between AB is also 2 meter. Let's discuss the second case, which is A to C. In this case, first we have to find the distance between A to C. For finding the distance between A to C, we have to find the distance between AB and BC, and then we will add both the distance, which is equal to AC. So what is the distance between A and B? 2 meter. What is the distance between B and C? 2 meter. Therefore, what is the distance between A and C? 2 meter plus 2 meter, that is 4 meter. Next, displacement. We know that displacement is the shortest distance between initial position and final position. So, the shortest distance between A and C is given by the straight line AC. We can find the distance AC by the triangle ABC. That is the 90-degree triangle, or we can say right angle triangle, in which AC is hypotenuse, BC is perpendicular, and AB is base. So by applying Pythagoras theorem, we can find the distance of AC. Here we are applying the Pythagoras theorem, that is hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So that we can write AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. What is the distance of AB? 2 meter. What is the distance of BC? 2 meter. So here in place of AB and BC, we can write 2 meter and 2 meter. So AC square is given by 2 square plus 2 square, which is 4 plus 4. So AC square is equal to 8 plus 4, and AC is equal to under root of 8, which can be written as 2 root 3. So the displacement between A to C is given by 2 root 3. I think it is clear for you. Let's discuss the next question. Calculate the distance and displacement of a body moving in a circle in the following cases. A from A to C, B from A to A. So in this question, ABCD circle is given in which E is the center of the circle. Let's discuss the first case from A to C. A to C when we will go, then it takes half of the circle. We know that the length of the complete circle is given by 2 pi r, which is circumference of the circle. So half of the circumference of the circle gives AC. So 2 to 2 cut, left part is pi into r. So the distance between A to C, which is half the circle, is given by pi r. Pi also we can write 22 by 7. So distance of AC is equal to 22 by 7. Next, displacement. So displacement is the shortest distance between initial and final position. So shortest distance between A and C is given by straight line AC. For finding the distance AC, this is the center of the circle. From the center to point A, that is radius, means R. From the center to the point C, that is again radius, that means R. So the distance AC is given by R plus R, that will be 2R. So the displacement AC equal to 2R. Let's discuss the next case from A to A. If any object is going from A and come back to A, that means it will complete one complete circle. So the distance of one complete circle is given by 2 pi r, that is circumference of the circle. So the distance is 2 into 22 by 7 into r. Displacement. Displacement is the shortest distance between final and initial point. So what is the initial point? A. What is the final point? A. What is the minimum distance between A and A? 0. So in this case, displacement is 0. I think it is clear for you. Let's discuss the next question. A person walks 8 meter north, then walks 6 meter east. Determine distance and displacement. So in this type of question, here we will assume as north, here south, east and west. Let us suppose our person initially at the point A. So here is our person, which is the north direction from point A, in that direction. So person walks north 8 meter. So let assume A to B distance is 8 meter. From north he walks 6 meter east. So what is the east direction from B? That direction. So B to C distance is given 6 meter. We have to find a distance and displacement. So here this distance is 8, this distance is 6. What is the total distance? How can we find? By adding 8 plus 6, 14 meter is the distance covered by the person. Next, displacement. By the diagram we can see that it is right angle triangle. In this right angle triangle, perpendicular and base already we know 8 and 6. And we have to find the hypotenuse. Again, we will apply the Pythagoras theorem, which is hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. It is given by AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. What is AB? 8. What is BC? 6. What is 8 square? 64. What is 6 square? 36. What is the addition of 64 and 36? 100. So AC square we can write 100 and AC is equal to 10 meter. So the displacement of the person is 10 meter. I think it is clear for you. Thank you.